The tool that we're really interested in is the MindSuite algorithm, which is a predictive analytic. It takes all the data that goes into it, and it does something very, very unusual. Instead of slicing and dicing the results so that we know individually how people are, and therefore individually how to deal with them and work with them, not a very effective way to actually pull together a team, by the way. This does something completely different. What it does is it takes the data and it assigns it, and regardless of the disparity or the differences that are going in the target demographic that you're working with, let's say extreme left to extreme right politically, or different religious factors, or people who come from different backgrounds. Maybe they happen to be from different countries, or they have different educational processes that they've gone through to get to this moment, and the idea is let's get them to work together well. With this predictive analytic, we find something really quite remarkable. And what we find is that folks, no matter how disparate their points of view are, when it comes to focusing on something that they're aligned on, some kind of job that they can focus on the goals of, they're actually about 80% in alignment with each other, and they're anxious to do those things that are within that band of the 80%. Where we get in trouble is trying to deal with the outliers and work with the outliers. But if we stay in the 80%, what does this mean to you? Well, if you happen to be a manager or a leader or somebody who's accountable for production or for results of some sort, some kind or some way, what it allows you to do is take a look and see predictably what it is that these people would not only do, but they would like to do together. It would be fulfilling for them. Now, when you're doing that, you're doing a couple of things. One is you're upping the productivity right away. Second thing is you're getting people working together who normally would not work well together. But the third thing is you're actually getting people to create partnership with one another. Anytime you can create partnership, you've actually created the key for teams, and you've created the key for networks, which means that you can begin to build the structure, the infrastructure, so that you can work powerfully and effectively together. So between the soft skill insights and distinctions and tools of tribal possibilities paired with the MindSuite algorithm, what we've got is not only a way of empowering and training people to work effectively together, but we've got a way of measuring the persistence of that and measuring the quality of it as we go. In the past, we have never been able to measure quality. We've only been able to assess it. Now, we've got the chance of actually accurately, and as Wayne likes to say, in an undebatable way, measure the effect of what it is that we're doing. If you are a leader, or if you are a manager, or if you are someone who is accountable for the results of people working with you, what you've got is you've got a tool you never had before, which allows you to course correct as you go. This is a good thing.